Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, scroll down to the additional settings, and if the developer options activated, you will see here the developer options section. Now just tap here once, and to hide developer options, click once here on this swatcher, and as can you see, all of the options they are blocked. And when we'll go back here into the settings app and tap again to the additional settings, you can see that developer options section is gone. So that's it. That's how to hide developer options on our XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.